Mastering the Roads, Driving Lessons Newcastle with Novocastrian Driver Training. Discover excellence behind the wheel. Your journey starts here. At Novocastrian Driver Training, one of the leading driving schools Newcastle. Why choose us? 18 years of expertise, with nearly 2 decades of experience, we have honed our craft to perfection, ensuring top-notch training for every learner. Proven track record, our long-standing presence in the industry is a testament to our commitment to excellence and the countless successful drivers we and #39B helped shape. Tailored learning approach, we understand that every learner is unique. Our tailored approach caters to individual learning styles, ensuring efficient progress for each student. Certified instructors, our team comprises highly competent and certified instructors who possess not only extensive knowledge, but also the patience and dedication